Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to highlight duplicates in Excel step by step. Highlighting duplicate values makes it easier to find repeated information in your spreadsheet, such as duplicate names, numbers, or entries. So let's get started. First, open Microsoft Excel on your computer. Open the worksheet that contains the data you want to check for duplicates. Next, select the range of cells where you want to find duplicate values. Then go to the Home tab at the top of the Excel window. In the Styles section, click on Conditional Formatting. From the menu that appears, select Highlight Cells Rules. Then choose Duplicate Values. A Duplicate Values dialog box will open. Make sure Duplicate is selected. You can choose a formatting style, such as a different color or font style, to highlight the duplicate entries. After selecting your preferred format, click OK. Excel will now automatically highlight all duplicate values in the selected range. If you add new data later, you can adjust the formatting range or create a new conditional formatting rule to include the additional cells. To remove the duplicate highlighting, select the cells again. Go to Conditional Formatting, choose Clear Rules, then select whether you want to clear rules from the selected cells or the entire worksheet. Highlighting duplicates is a useful way to review data, find mistakes, and keep your spreadsheets organized. And that's it. You've successfully highlighted duplicates in Excel. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Excel tips, spreadsheet tutorials, and productivity guides. See you in the next video.